Clearing your iPhone history periodically is a good idea. It protects your privacy and ensures that your iPhone is running smoothly. In this guide, I will show you how to clear your iPhone search history in Spotlight, Siri, Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox. If you use Spotlight to perform quick searches on your iPhone, here's how to delete the search history and data and prevent future search history from showing up. On your iPhone's home screen, swipe down on the screen to open the Spotlight search. You should see a clear button next to recent searches. Tap the button to clear the iPhone Spotlight search history. If you don't see any clear button, you can use this method to prevent future Spotlight searches from showing up. Open the Settings app and tap the search settings. Now, turn off the toggle for Show Recent Searches. Your search history will no longer show when using Spotlight search. If you use Siri voice commands to perform searches on your iPhone, follow these steps to clear your iPhone's Siri and Dictation history. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and open the Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri settings. Scroll down to the Siri and Dictation history settings and tap to open it. Tap the Delete Siri and Dictation history settings and confirm to clear your iPhone voice search history. Most iPhone users use Safari to perform searches on their iPhones. There are two methods you can use to delete Safari browser history data to clear your iPhone search history. In the first method, we will use the Settings app to delete Safari search history. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to the bottom and open the Apps section. Scroll down to Safari and tap to open its settings. Locate the History and Website Data section and tap the Clear History and Website Data button. Now, select the time frame for which you want to delete your iPhone search history. You can choose between the last hour, today and yesterday, and all history. Now, tap the Clear History button to delete the Safari search history. You can also delete your Safari search history from the app itself. Launch Safari on your iPhone and tap the bookmark icon. Tap the clock icon to open the History tab. Here, you can swipe left on a website and then tap the Delete button to clear the history individually. To delete Safari search history in bulk, tap the Clear button in the bottom right corner. You will see the same interface you saw in Settings app. Select the time frame and tap the Clear History button to clear your iPhone search history in Safari. You can also clear your Safari search history using a shortcut. I have created a written guide on it which you can read by clicking the link in the video description. If you use the Google Chrome app instead of Safari on your iPhone, use these steps to clear your Chrome search history. Launch the Google Chrome app on your iPhone and tap the three-dot button in the bottom right corner. To clear the Google Chrome history for specific searches, tap the Edit button in the bottom right corner and select the ones you want to delete. Now, tap the Delete button to delete the selected search histories on iPhone. To delete all searches and browsing history at once, tap the Delete Browsing History button. Now, use the drop-down menu to select the time range and use the Delete Data button to delete the entire search and browsing history on your iPhone. If you are one of the minority Firefox users on iPhone, don't worry, I have got you covered. Launch the Firefox app on your iPhone and tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right corner. Tap on History to see your iPhone search and browsing history on Firefox. Here, you can delete individual searches by swiping right to left and tapping the Delete button. To delete all history at once, tap the trash can icon in the bottom left corner and then on the time frame for which you want to delete the history. As you can see, clearing your iPhone search history depends on what app you are using. Comment their name below and I will answer how you can delete your search history for those apps. I use Arc Search as my main iPhone browser, and you can watch this video next to learn why I prefer it over the likes of Safari and Chrome. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.